Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen today. Today we're going to be talking about the Avalon Bay Air Fryer. Y'all, this has become a part of my kitchen. I don't usually like things on my cabinet, but this is my go-to every day here lately for lunchtime, mainly. I wanted to show you a little bit about the Avalon Bay Air Fryer, and then we'll talk about what I've been cooking in it. First off, they give you a little, it's called Healthy Cooking with an Oilless Air Fryer. An air fryer is something that fries things with heat and air rather than in oil. And since Danny can't have anything fried anymore because he had his gallbladder taken out and it really bothers him, he was just doing without a lot of stuff because I couldn't fry anything. So the air fryer has added a little, I guess, oomph to his meals now. So it has like, I don't know, 25 or so recipes in here, and I've tried several of them and I really like them. Some things that I've tried, I've had to play around with times and temps to figure it out. So it comes with the little book. Let me turn it on. When it comes on, you see it beeps twice, and then this light is your on and off button. It just lifts out, and it has in it a pan that you raise this and mash a button. And let's sit it down so I don't drop it. This pan comes out. This is what you fry in. This is your frying pan here. This part is simply a tray to catch any grease or anything that food particles here, so it's easy cleanup, really easy. You take this out, you wash it out, and it's good to go. And it's like a Teflon type surface. I don't know, it's supposed to be like non-stick. So this just puts right back in here, close that, and then insert. When you get ready to turn it on and off button. If you want your temperature up or down on this side, if you want your time up and down on this side, and start button. It's not real loud. That's one thing I like. It's kind of just, you know, in the background. That's as loud as it gets. The air fryer is real easy to operate, has some really good recipes, and Avalon Bay did a really good job with this. I'm really proud to have this. Some of the first things I tried were not even in this book. We like fried okra, and since Danny couldn't have fried okra, I thought, let's play around with it. So I took some frozen okra out of the freezer that we grew here at Deep South. I semi-thawed it out, run some water over it, and coated it in pecan meal. Okay, that's something I had to play around with the timing because this book doesn't have anything to tell me how to fry okra. That's kind of an odd one. So the first time I think I put it on 350, and I checked it every 8 to 10 minutes, and I would shake it every 2 to 3 minutes. You just kind of take it out and shake it and put it back. And when you do that, your time keeps going, so you don't lose track of your time. Whatever you set it for, it keeps continuing on. And the first time I did okra, I overcooked it a little bit, but still, it was better than not having any. So the second time I cooked okra, I opened one of our jars of okra that we canned, drained it, coated it in almond meal, I think, and baked it. I believe I went on up to like 400, and for 15 minutes, shaking it every 2 to 3 minutes. Turned out really well. We really liked it, so when Amanda at Freedom Makers was here, I made some more and she loved it. So the air fryer is good for frying okra. I've done stir fry. I've made pecan coated mutton. I coated it, put it in here, worked fine. I've made desserts. Look, I bought this set, and it's really great. You can use this for a little pie pan or pancake or whatever. You can use this for a pancake, a cake, or breads. I've been using this one, and I made a German pancake with applesauce. I've also just made a plain pancake, and I made a pancake with peach jam. So you can make that type of desserts real easily. It's got a few more brownies and stuff that I want to try, so we're going to try that before long. Let's see. Potatoes and sweet potatoes. Awesome. Since Danny can't have fried French fries and fried sweet potato fries, I've been baking them in the oven, and I'm cranking up my big stove and stuff like that. This thing is working great. I've made French fries or sweet potato fries from our sweet potatoes. Awesome, awesome job. We really like those. I've made French fries from fresh potatoes. Works fine. And I've taken a jar of canned potatoes, drained them, salted them, coated them in a little bit of coconut oil, put them in there. Man, thumbs up. So an air fryer from Avalon Bay, I'd say it's a win. I like it. And if you would like one from Avalon Bay, check the description below. 15% off if you use the Deep South code and the link that's there to get an Avalon Bay air fryer. Thank you guys from Deep South Homestead.